Hello everyone and welcome to another Squarespace tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to install the TikTok pixel in a Squarespace website. We are going to go straight to the point. Before we do that, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. It helps tremendously to create new content, so thank you very much in advance. And let's get started. So step number one, we are going to come here to TikTok Ads Manager. Here we are going to go to Tools, and we are going to open Events Manager. So you can either hover on Tools and click Events Manager, or you can go on the left-hand side, you can open the menu, and you can click here, Events Manager is the same thing. Once we are here in Events Manager, we are going to go to Data Sources, and once we come here in Data Sources, we are going to select our pixel, or we're going to create a new one, and once we are here in our pixel, we're going to go to Settings, and here in Settings, we are going to scroll down and we're going to click here that says Install Base Code, View Instructions. So when we click here, this is the tracking code. This is the pixel tracking code. So we are going to copy the tracking code and we're going to go to our Squarespace website. Here, we're going to use the search bar on the top left. We are going to look for code injection. So we're going to select code injection. And here in the header, we are going to paste the TikTok pixel and we are simply going to save. That's it. So one more time, you're going to go to Events Manager, you are going to select Data Sources, click on your pixels, go to Settings, then go under Install Base Code and click on View Instructions. You're going to copy the code, you're going to go to your Squarespace website, look for code injection, and under the header, paste the TikTok pixel directly under the header. You can do the same thing with installing the TikTok pixel with Google Tag Manager. That's also a possibility. First, you will need to install the Tag Manager, and then you can install the TikTok pixel from the Tag Manager. That's exactly the same thing, but that's the bottom line if you want to install the TikTok pixel directly. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. If you want to work with me, there are links in the video description. Thank you very much for watching this video and have an amazing day in any time zone. Bye everyone.